Welcome back. The stock of the last hour or so has been Varun Beverages. What a big move it's seen. 8% higher on the back of not just results, but more than results. It has been, the performance that the company is, announced when it comes to the alcobev business. So the second quarter financially or the third quarter calendar year, it's a seasonally weak quarter. The India business was further impacted by heavy monsoons. But it's the South Africa and, alcohol foray, which is key development to track. Year on year, the revenue grew by about just 2%. EBITDA was absolutely flat. The net profit surged on account of lower finance costs. But the company has made two important announcements. One, they've changed the object clause of their Memorandum of Association to include sales, manufacturing, licensing and distribution of alcohol beverages. And they've signed an exclusive distribution agreement with Carlsberg for certain African subsidiaries of the company, which will test market beer in those territories. And it's a good strategy because outside of India, regulations for carbonated soft drinks and alcobev are not as divergent as they are in the country. So this is where they would test that. And let's see whether, they get some manufacturing for Pepsi's ready-to-drink cocktails as well. So that's something we'll watch out for. The other internals, the India volumes were flat. The street was expecting a decline out there, so that's a positive. International volumes grew by 9%, led by South Africa. That was as per the company's own plan. And the mix of low sugar or no added sugar products are now 56% of their consolidated volumes and 45% of their consolidated volumes in India. So those are the internals of Varun Beverages. Decent performance in a seasonally weak quarter, but more importantly, the alcohol foray could be an important pivot for them. With that, we take your leave on this edition of Halftime Report. Stay with us. Business Lunch comes up next.